Hey everybody, morning to you. This is going to be a quick one today. I know you're excited about that. I already tried filming it, and then my asshole iPhone said that it was full of gigs, right? I don't know,
storage things.
So now I'm redoing it. Just giving you the cliff notes. I'm stuck in a sticker that says, yo, cards, because I need to buy cards, and some cleaning stickers. And then I am showing you my HP Sprocket. If you like little sticky pictures, then you would love the Sprocket. It prints out little pictures that are sticky on the back, and you can stick them anywhere. Stick, stick, stick. Just like I did in the corner. That is from our pool day on Tuesday. It was the bomb. You can see I checked things off my list and pushed some things to today. The list for today with the pile that I finally need to tackle and a crying face emoji. The only thing that you didn't see in that last one was this intermittent fasting. Let's see, ate breakfast pretty early yesterday, still about 8:30. And then I stopped about, I would say probably 5:30. So all in all, not terrible. So if you're wondering, this was all I needed to see out of all of these videos, yet I watched them all in their entirety, and I'll never be able to get that time back? No, you won't. I apologize. And they could be this short, but they're not. Sorry. Filling in the bar, and then I think I'm going to look for a sticker, because depression like this calls for a sticker of the rain that we're supposed to get today. But I'm hoping the rain will drive me to actually finish my to-do list. Oh, wait. Important stuff. Oh, my book. My repurposed book that I made look kind of vintage. I thought maybe we could do something stupid and YouTubey and maybe do a giveaway. If you guys think that would be a cool idea, comment below. And I'm thinking maybe if you just leave a comment, you'd be entered to win the little journal. And I'll randomly pick a winner in like a week or something, and I'll send it to you. Completely free, and then you'll have your own garbage to deal with. So I am so glad you're watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.